Track 3. 1.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Carol.
How old are you?
I'm 7.
What's your favourite colour?
Red. My favourite colour is red.
2.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Sam.
How old are you?
I'm 4.
What's your favourite colour?
Green. My favourite colour is green.
3.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Pam.
How old are you?
I'm 6.
What's your favourite colour?
Yellow. My favourite colour is yellow.
4.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Tim.
How old are you?
I'm 10.
What's your favourite colour?
Purple. My favourite colour is purple.
5.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Lisa.
How old are you?
I'm 8.
What's your favourite colour?
Blue. My favourite colour is blue.